Hey, this will be a video chart on GLER. Had a ton of requests coming on this one today, and I can totally see why. Looking down here at the volume bar, huge volume, nice price reaction. So the chart was firing on all cylinders and really just did a good job of coming to life. And once again showed that when volume does hit this chart, the price reacts. And all you have to do is look back here. You can see the last time the big volume came in, it made a huge move back here also. So, like I said, that's just good in of itself. Sometimes you'll see charts where you get a bunch of volume like these, and then the price either goes sideways or worse yet down. That has not been the case with GLER, so it's good to see that the price is capable of moving. When substantial volume does hit it, which as sad as it is, some charts actually do struggle with. So what I want to do is map out some supports, resistances, and that way everybody has an idea of what to look for. So we'll first start off with the areas of support. And the ideal level of support, meaning if it doesn't hold, not the end of the world, but it's going to be right here at the 50-day simple moving average. This is one of the big key moving averages that's within the world of technical analysis. So this will be the ideal level of support, meaning if you were to ask me ideally what level would you like to see the price hold in any sort of pullback, it would be this level right here. Now the must-hold level is going to be down here at 0.005. And the reason I call that the must-hold is if this move right here is truly strong, then this level should have no problem holding if the price even pulls back here and tests it. The reason, and I know nobody would want to see it pull back there, but we have to keep in mind, let's just say it does pull back here, bounces around a little bit before heading back up. Well, this set of lows is higher than this set down here, and then when we connect the lows, it would give us the ability to draw an uptrend, and that's what we want to see start to happen, is for an uptrend to begin to take place. Now on the flip side of the equation, looking at the levels of resistance, not surprisingly, we had the big bad 200-day simple moving average knock down the price. Now it did get above it intraday, but remember, when we're looking at things from the daily chart perspective, we care about where the closes are. So the key level right now is going to be the 200-day, and right now that's valued at 0.0113 right there. Now if the price can get above there and really start to close above, the next levels of resistance are going to be right here around the 0019, and I'm not sure is that where the price didn't quite hit it, but if we look back once again through the history of the chart, you can see that this level right here has quite a bit of history. And then after 0.019, it's basically, as far as I'm concerned, a blue sky breakout, because the next level of resistance is not until this high over here. And then, looking at there, that's a lot of real estate where the price could potentially run. So 0.019 is kind of, we'll just call it a miniature blue sky breakout if the price can get above there. But one step at a time. The key thing going forward is going to be holding these support levels and then seeing if it can get some closes above this level of resistance right here. And finally, with any sort of sideways or downwards action, make sure we watch the volume. The lower the volume, the better on any sort of sideways volumes, and then the opposite is true on any sort of upwards moves. The higher the volume, the more bullish that is. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website and sign up. One more time, this was GLER. Thanks for listening.